Hey everyone, it's Sheena from Crafty Mama Studios, here with another 3D Shadowbox tutorial. Spring is in the air. Never mind the fact that we just got 6 inches of snow this morning. Hey, a girl can dream, right? I think this layer would be beautiful if you had a pink shimmer paper. In these tutorials, you'll see that I'm not using a lot of foam tape. This is just because I don't sell my finished projects, and my work often gets recycled after I'm finished. If I were selling, I would make sure to go all around the edges and be more scattered in the middles to keep a more uniform height. On my Shadowbox files, I number the layers at the bottom right-hand corner, so you'll always know which layer should go next. This is really helpful to keep the layers in order for assembly, and also when you're cutting, you can match your paper color with the number so you don't accidentally cut a layer in the wrong color. I chose to go with all foam tape on this one. With it only being 10 layers, you can definitely use the depth to make it a big impact. And there you have it, another cute shadow box to add to your collection, or give away as a gift. Do you have an idea for a shadow box you'd like to see? Leave me a comment and I'll see about adding it to my growing collection. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and make sure to click the bell to be notified when I create new projects.